Okay.
No, because we lay out a new concrete about 200 square meter, and then we need to cut slab by slab about each slab about 3 square meter. You know, each slab you need to cut into a, different slab.
Oh yeah.
So you need to have a depth limit guide to cut it. Not this one. It's the whole machine. It could be $10,000.
Then we don't do those. Those are the only concrete cutters that we do.
Oh, this is the one.
Yeah.
Okay, if this is the one, you have a depth limit, right?
Yeah.
So normally, how deep do you cut maximum if your concrete is about?
450. So the blades are 450?
No, not about the blade. It's about, let's say our concrete thickness is about 100 mil.
100 mil?
Maximum.
Yeah.
Normally, how deep do they cut? Like 25%, 30% of it?
So you can have them on trolleys, which will give you the ability to judge that
Trolley?
depth. Yeah, you can put them on a trolley. So then you can restrict the depth.
Oh, I do know that. I know we can control it, but what I mean is technically, how deep do they cut maximum usually?
Depending on the size of your blade, maximum cutting
No,
depth.
not about blade. It's about
maximum cutting depth 125 or 145.
That's not what I'm asking. I know that the maximum is 100 mil, but normally the engineer or the technician, how deep do they cut? Only, let's say about 25 mil only, because of your thickness is 100 mil. Maybe they only can cut maximum is 30 mil. That's all. You cannot. They don't cut more than that. So what is the spec normally they cut? Not from here. Not from here. You still don't understand me.
I do understand, but these are the specs that we
I understand.
have.
We don't care about the spec. Of course, the spec they can cut through. They can cut 120 mil. Doesn't matter. But what I mean is the technician, usually according to their knowledge.
Take a photo of that page.
Yeah.
But this is not important for us. This is not important for us. We know the spec is a lot more than 100 mil. But my question is, let's say we lay out 100 mil thickness of the concrete. Normally, the technician, how deep maximum do they cut? You know, they cut like about 25 mil or 30 mil. Somehow that is the standard, right? Am I right?
Well, I just go off these.
No. This one is about the spec. Of course, the spec can be 120 mil to minimum maybe 20 mil. But let's say if your concrete is 100 mil, they have to cut it. They don't cut through it, because if you use the 120 mil, they cut through it. Normally, I think they cut only about 25 to 30% of your thickness, isn't it?
Oh, are you asking about
Yes.
about your concrete? How
Exactly,
thick you need to
exactly.
cut your concrete.
Exactly.
Are
That's
you-
why I keep saying my concrete is 100 mil only.
So you want to cut your? Are you cutting your concrete for
They have to cut it into divide into many.
to avoid it from cracking?
Exactly.
Yeah, to do it from cracking.
Not only that,
Yeah, you
avoid from
only
the
do-
cracking as well, the snap of the concrete. So
Yeah.
they try to hold each other.
Yeah.
So they don't cut through it.
Yeah. So you only do 20-25 mil, but that's a question that you really need to ask
My-
your concrete guy.
Yeah, that's why I thought you have an expert here too. Maximum how deep do
Not
they
for
cut?
concrete.
Not for concrete.
We just
Oh,
fix
I
them.
see.
We're just the machines that.
All right.
But like I know what you're doing in terms of your concrete is to stop it from cracking. But
Not only
I know
cracking
that-
actually, they actually pin them together, stop from sinking as well,
Oh, okay.
to snapping and
Oh,
to broken
yeah,
to
yeah.
back them. Yeah.
So if you're doing 100 mil, you wouldn't want to do any more than 20 mil.
Yeah, I think what we heard is about 25 to 30%. I mean 25 mil to 30 mil only.
Yeah.
But some people confuse us. They say can cut through, so we are confused.
No, you don't
Yeah.
cut through because we have
Right.
we have slabs at home like the size of this room here,
Right.
and ours are only cut that deep.
Exactly.
And then
Yeah.
they've gone through and they've filled it with a component like a silicone flexi component, so
Yeah.
that dirt and that doesn't get in it.
Oh, yeah.
But
right.
it still allows your concrete to expand and contract in the
Yeah.
heat and the cold,
Yeah.
which is what those cracks are for.
Right. Normally you prefer the iron mesh instead of the fiber
Yeah,
to mix into it, right?
Yeah.
Because you can bind them more strongly together.
yeah.
Right. Okay. All right. Can we see where is the depth limiter or get depth guider? Is there a picture we can see here? And then
So there's your
the blade.
those are your blades, but you won't see those spinning around.
Or yeah, I think like this one I know is similar to my cutter.
Yeah, so you
Yes.
have if you put them on a trolley, then you can set your depth,
Yeah. somewhere.
So you can set your depth to what you want. It sets it so
Yeah.
that you don't go any deeper than that on all your
Okay.
cut.
Okay.
That's what they use the carts
Okay, I
for.
think you can go to Google Image to see the depth limiter.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you very much.
What's your name?
Adele.
Adele.
Yeah. Take a photo of that.
Thank you.
Yeah.
STIHL Shop, yeah.